Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, let's take a look again at the daily chart of the euro currency. As you can see, that market has shown really significant plunge down on the yesterday's price action. Well, and in fact, it closed below than 5 days in a row, previous 5 days. It's close, really significant move to the downside. In fact, this is the really very important for current price action, and in the first view, it looks like that market hardly will proceed move high and hardly will reach the target of this ABCD pattern. Well, this might be true, because this significant move opened on the high, close and low, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars, 5 trading sessions were covered by this just single bar on the daily time frame. But this looks like something was right here. That is also a significant move to the downside, but market has negated it. And in fact, although this is really impressive price action on the yesterday's trading session, but still I have found the one potential pattern that could lead the market to the reaching of the 128 area right here. And that pattern is 3 drive sell. Still we have on the daily time frame the bullish trend by this MACD line. And despite this pattern, we still have to investigate this final chance for the bulls on the daily time frame, and we have to keep an eye on this development, since this could be really significant. And since we obviously see this really solid plunge to the downside, but market tells a million of times that what is obvious, that could be the obviously wrong. That's why we should keep our mind open and be ready for any even unpredictable and unexpected potential developments on the market. Besides, now we know what to expect on the short side of the market, since we know that just retracement and we just wait the final point of this retracement. But we also should be ready for any unexpected moves on the market, and one of these moves could be by 3 drive pattern that is forming on the 4-hour time frame. Take a look at the 4-hour chart. Here is 3 drive sell. What we see? The first drive here, second drive stands at 127 extension on the first, and if we will draw the 1618 extension of the first drive and 127 extension of the second, you can see that they coincide in the tight ranges around 128-128.10 area. That is a very typical situation for the 3 drive patterns, when extensions of the first drive and the second coincides in the same area, that usually the destination of the third drive. Now take a look at this price action. We see the solid hard plunge to the downside in this price action, but by technical view we see initially, from the perspective of the harmonic patterns, Gartley's triple to buy, initial swing, ABCD retracement. Yes, that area is completement of this A, B, C top, D pattern. So that is the bullish pattern. From the Fib work, we see strong support, that is the confidence support on the 4-hour time frame, it's around 125.60 area, and that is also an agreement, since market has accomplished ABCD pattern here. That's why this last chance for the bulls on the daily time frame, because if market will erase this level, it will simultaneously erase a lot of bullish patterns and possibilities, because it will erase 3 drive, since 127 extension of the second drive will start to shift lower and break in this combination of 2 different extensions. It will destroy the significant support area, and then it will destroy the Gartley's triple to buy pattern. That will be definitely the bearish sign for the market. That's why particularly this area, and currently market still has chances to continue move up, but these chances are very fragile, since they stand at the almost at the break-even point. On the hourly time frame, we see another interesting chart. So we see that ABCD pattern, A, B, C, D. Market has accomplished 100% extension, taking out the lows. Okay, now shows some retracement. But what is retracement? Thrust down, close above the 3x3. Here was the close below, but that is not the second bottom of this pattern. In other words, it could be the double repo buy. I prefer to see double repo suggests that tops should be relatively equal depth. Although market has closed below 3x3 here, well, I will not exclude the moment that market could show some deeper movement by the forming of the second bottom, because this is a bit skewed double repo. Double repo suggests appearing of two tops, two bottoms. This tells us that sellers have intended to continue move to the downside, but failed by the second bottom. So although this is formally the confirmed double repo pattern, since that was the close below 3x3 and that close above, but the difference between tops is significant. Anyway, keep an eye on this area, since if market will form here the double repo buy, this could be the reason, and this could be the signal that could trigger the last chance for the bulls. Continuation according to the 3-drive sell pattern and possibility of move to the upside. If market will fail there, so that we have already discussed it. So the probably market will continue move to the downside, and after that we probably could say that retracement is over. The minimum target of the double repo usually is the 50% resistance of the thrust of the double repo. I prefer to use this target because double repo is a significant pattern, this is reversal pattern, and most times it reaches this area. But according to the 4-hour chart, this could be just the trigger pattern around this area that could trigger the move to the upside right to the 128.10. So that is just the situation on the market that demands your thinking and keeping a close eye on this possible development, since after such plunge down, not much traders will expect the potential reversal because situation is obviously bearish, but still market now clearly shows some patterns that could trigger the opposite move. I don't want to say that it has to happen, but since we have some patterns, we have to react somehow on appearing of them. We may ignore them and wait for another patterns, but we also could keep an eye on them, and if market will act accordingly, that should not be a surprise for us and we know what to do. In this case, probably we could join this move to the upside, since we have also the bullish daily trend, and currently our context is bullish on the daily time frame. Well, that's all that I would like to tell you about. Just some worrying about that market is not so simple as it seems, even after the solid move down on the previous trading session. So be ready for any potential moves to the upside by these patterns that we have just discussed.